Hello everyone, I'm in Ljubljana and this is such an amazing place. And I just thought, what a wonderful place this will be to share some very, very wonderful insights. And I thank you all for joining me in this wonderful place. So it's very, very important for every one of us to recognize the significance of subjecting ourselves to the nature, and especially with an experiential coach. It's going to be something very, very awesome. How does it make a difference? Well, an experiential coach actually creates a kind of an experience that you essentially want to have within yourself, and just explode this whole possibility into a very gigantic being, and that's exactly what is required. Just explode and maximize its effect, and you should not miss it when, especially, you are in places like this. When you get to go and travel in places like this, this is so amazing place, absolutely amazing. And I want every one of you to experience the richness of spaces like this, and may the best come in your life. Have a great day, and I cannot take my eye off beautiful flight. Stay blessed, stay energized, and have a great day.